Today I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. So, question 25 reads as follows. The diagram shows a prism. The cross-section of the prism is a right-angled triangle. The base of the triangle is a length 5 centimeters, and the prism has a length of 25 centimeters. The prism has a volume of 250 centimeters cubed. Work out the height of the prism. So, the base and the length is already written onto the diagram for us, and I need to find the height, so I'll label that H. So I would need the formulas volume of prism and the area of a triangle, because the triangle is the cross section. So I need to find the area of the cross section, which is 5 times by H divided by 2 or times by 0.5, whatever you want to say. So I can simplify that to 2.5 H as the area of the cross section, and then I do that times by the depth, which is 25, so that's the volume of the prism. So I can simplify that, and I know what the volume is, so I can solve for H, which will give me 12 centimeters. Like and subscribe for more GCSE maths.